Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Aaron, and today I am cleaning my roof box, the old cargo box that I used to have on my car. Moved it off of my Golf, moved onto the BMW, moved it back to the Golf, and then took it off because it was getting sun faded. I took it off and I was gonna get it wrapped, haven't gotten around to it, and then I ended up getting a recommendation to put it back on because they said it looked sick. So I'm doing that. I'm gonna put it right back on. Not really worried about wrapping it right now. I'll get around to it. I have some other stuff that I need to do in the car first though, including a timing job. I need to get new wheels and tires because car show season is coming up, and those are kind of priorities before I wrap my box. But in the meantime, there is a giant freaking nuke. Check that out. There's like a giant nuke of a bird poop on there, and that was on there when I took the box off. It literally happened like the night before. I'm getting it cleaned off. I'm gonna pull the sticker off that I have right here. I'll pull those off, and I might decorate it. I'll see what other stickers I got, and then we're gonna throw it back on the car, and we're gonna see how that looks. But anyways, guys, it's gonna be a fun one. Let's get to it. Alright, now that it's installed, at least mostly, it's just not tightened down. But now that it's up here, we're going to go outside of the car and make sure that everything is level. Or I guess not level, but straight, even, you know, English. I think it needs a little more. I think that's it. All right. I'm gonna get the box cleaned out because it's kind of gnarly right in here. I'm gonna get it dusted out. Then we'll throw the launchers in there, and then we'll be ready for meets. Yeah, I didn't even do a good job, and this is what I got. This is literally just some water. Looks like I'm throwing another microfiber away. All right, got them all strapped in. Looking good.
A few minutes later.
Alrighty, well, I am going to go inside and shower because it's crazy hot. It's too hot. Look at all that. We have some weather coming in, so I'm going to edit videos, I'm going to edit pictures, I'm going to play some video games, and if this guy ever hits me up about buying my spacers, I'll go meet him, but I'm not going to wait for him. That's a little rant. How you going to hit me up, ask for something I'm selling, tell me you're going to be there in 40 minutes, and then 40 minutes was 2 hours ago? You know what I mean? What the hell? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the roof box on here. Again, I'm gonna wrap it later, but for now, it is what it is. I will see you guys later.